Assalamualaikum guys, today I will show you Vivo Y81i. I will show you how to remove code. It is disabled, so I will show you how can remove that password. So guys, first you open your unlock tool. So wait when your unlock tool is open. Guys, that unlock tool is going to open. So we will wait for open that unlock tool. See guys. So now your unlock tool is open guys. So now guys, you turn off the phone. Now your phone will be off, and then you're going to Vivo. So now you select the file, the model Y81i. So that is our model Y81i 1812. So now you're going there. So you can do anyone you want. Save format. So take that save format. So now what we will do. Now our phone is off. Then you take the volume down. Then put the USB. Now see that phone is connecting. So you will wait for some minutes, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Your phone code is going to remove. So release volume down. You release volume down. So see guys, that phone is code is removed now. So it's take a minute. So now that phone is going to on. Your phone will be on. See guys, that is going to restore setting. Now that phone code is removed.
بچه من پشتی آخرش چند میپرد دیدی دیدیش خانم جورش کردی
شیرا خاله کدام
See guys, that phone is code is removed now. So that's all. That is finished. See, everything is safe. Everything is there. So thanks for watching my video. Thanks so much guys. Subscribe and like my videos.